Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Spotify account. So first thing, we need to put in spotify.com in the search bar and press the Spotify web player link. After that, press your account icon on the upper right and then click account. That should take you to your account settings. Just press support and scroll down until you find account help. Press that and then press account settings and press closing your account. After that, if you have premium, you can press the close your account on the premium side. And if you say don't have premium, you can press that. But I don't have premium, so I'm going to click that. It's going to tell you if you're sure you're going to close your account. Then you need to confirm that it's your account. So I'm going to press continue because this is my account. After that, click I understand and press continue. After that, it'll tell you that it sent an email to your email address that has a link that will confirm your account deletion. So what you have to do is you need to go over to your email. And as you can see, Spotify sent us an email with a link that says close your account. So if you want to delete your account, you're just going to press close my account. I don't want to delete this one, but if you do want to, you can just click that. So that's basically it, guys, for the video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.